What is up, my favorite YouTubers?
We are going to do a reaction to Jet Optimus Ultra's Shield versus Bulldozer. Never heard of Bulldozer. But we'll find out. Let's begin, shall we? In 3, 2, 1.
Awesome. You mean to tell me that we can track every superhero in this city, but not one supervillain? I'm sorry, sir, but can't find any bank accounts or nothing registered to him.
Maybe you have bad Wi-Fi or he deleted everything.
Which is why we're going to see Stark. See if he can help us shed some light on this situation. Hill, how much longer till we get to the tower? About 20 minutes, sir. First, he steals Project Mandroid. Then, tries to take down the X-Men.
Ha!
Soon we figure this mess out, the better.
Hope you do. Wait, who's that guy?
Bulldozer.
Oh.
Sends up overrise.
Oh, I remember him. It's been a long time since I've seen that character. I think I saw him in Spider-Man Ultimate.
Tentacles. No. Prepare to get loud.
He kind of reminds me of someone from X-Men. The Juggernaut, that's what he reminds me of. Damn, he's stronger than Bane. You know your guns are useless on him. Yep.
Hey, yeah, big muscle guy. Might I suggest you, pick on somebody your own size?
Like you?
Well...
This is gonna end badly for you, Bulldozer. Ha!
I'm sorry, but you have something that does not belong to you. Aw, crud. This is gonna leave a mark.
Okay, what's happening now? Yay, Captain America! In America, I put you reasons to kick your ass.
Hey, Cap, did you find out who it was? Yeah, one of them was wearing a Hydra uniform.
Really?
But I thought we took care of Hydra.
I thought you did too.
Kid. Colson, can you give us any details on what happened? So we were on our way to Avengers Tower to see if Stark could help us
Yeah?
figure out why Taskmaster sold the prototypes to Project Mandroid
Okay.
and attacked the X-Men. Well, the Mandroid was supposed to weapon. And I believe that they might have some way of turning a superhero's powers into a weapon, like, you know that, what's her name, Jean Grey? Oh, yeah, Jean Grey has that Phoenix Force mess. And that's just, like, super powerful.
Yep.
So, yeah, but he attacked all of them, not her. Well, he probably wanted to put it all of them there. Yeah, I put it there. Man, we're close. I'll see if I can find Tony I need to talk to him about this. In the meantime, I'll get 2 people to interrogate Bulldozer.
Huh.
Black Widow and Wasp. Thor and Hulk. Scott, Scott, just don't say nothing. Just be quiet. Just be quiet, okay? Be quiet.
Oh, this ain't gonna end good.
There, Fury. I like you to me. Why you purple faced?
Purple face.
Purple Kool-Aid.
Well, I hope we find out who he was talking about in the next video, if he makes one, about that one. But we'll see you guys next time. This is Def the Kid out and being Shremetsko. And you guys be better. You better be Shremetsko too.
Save